Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to fix stick drift on PS5 controller. 1. Clean your PS5 controller. Regular cleaning helps remove grain, dust and dirt that can cause buttons to stick and affect performance. Wipe down your controller with a microfiber cloth. 2. Check for a PS5 controller firmware update. Connect your controller to the PS5 via USB. Once the PS5 turns on, the system will scan the controller for a firmware update. 3. Update your PS5 console. Ensure your PS5 system software is up to date, which can improve the functionality of both the console and connected accessories like controllers. To update, go to Settings, System Software Update and Settings, then Update System Software. And finally, a factory reset can fix connectivity or performance issues with your controller. To reset, use a paper clip to press the small reset button located on the back of the controller near the L2 button. Hold it for about 5 seconds. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.